Rock and Roll Pop Keyboard Lesson 101. Brought to you by HongoMusic. I'm one of the instructors, Yoriko Hongo. Well, let's get motivated. Who's your aspiration? Any favorite bands? Favorite radio stations? Your childhood music? Now, think about why do some people quit music? Unrealistic expectation, conflict with the teacher, reluctant to practice, picked a wrong instrument, no coaches at home. We serve you with understanding your want, needs, and challenges. Solutions with lots of experiences, a follow-up call to cover all your questions. We guide you through every step of the way. Have a joy of music. Somebody's asking me, teacher, what can you do with these chords? C, D minor, A minor, G, F, D minor, E minor, F, and G. Let's count on me. C. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the C, E minor, I'll sail the world. G. To find you, F. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, E minor, I'll be the light, G, to guide you. D minor, find out what we're made of, F. When we are called to help our friends in need, G. And go back to C. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, G. And I know when I need it, da, 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 da. So C, E, A, G, F, C, all these chords, you'll be able to play favorite songs. Find us on Facebook, HongoMusic Rock and Pop Keyboard Lesson 101. Bookmark music for all the sheet music and materials. We'll see you soon.